Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you control the domain and can edit DNS records. This matters because Facebook verifies domains and sends traffic based on those records. Once confirmed, log into the DNS panel and locate the zone for the domain you'll use with Facebook. Create any placeholder records now, a CNAME for validation or a TXT for verification, and temporarily set TTL to 300 seconds so changes propagate rapidly while you test. Make sure to record original values to revert if needed. Next, you implement the precise records Facebook requires. Add the TXT token exactly as provided for domain verification and save. Then create CNAME or a records to map the chosen subdomain to Facebook's target host for features like hosting or business manager integrations. Use the host names Facebook supplies. After that, update SBF or DKIM TXT records when Facebook-related email sending is involved so mail deliverability stays intact. Keep an eye on propagation and use DIG or online DNS tools to confirm the records resolve correctly. Finally, you verify the domain within Facebook Business Manager and wait for the confirmation message. That completes the integration step. Once validated, test the specific feature in a real browser session. Check HTTPS, cookies, and any mixed content warnings since those break Facebook features. If something fails, first clear your local DNS cache and browser cache, then revert TTL if you need faster iteration. Use DIG or ENSLOOKUP to inspect the live records. And if validation still fails, compare the exact record strings against Facebook's required values for typos or missing characters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.